President Ramnath Kovind has said that the more we stay in touch with nature, the healthier we will be. Speaking on the topic One Nation, One Health, the need of the hour in the Arogya Manthan program organized by Arogya Bharati in Bhopal today, the President advised citizens to adopt routine, ethics and food according to nature in one's daily life. Appreciating the idea of One Nation, One Health system, the President said that it is clear from ancient texts like Yoga Sutra, Hatha Yoga, Pradipika, Hiranya Samhita that centuries ago our country had One Nation, One Health system which existed in some form. Mentioning the goals of the National Health Policy announced in the year 2017, Kovind said that the main goal of this policy is to make quality health services accessible to all the people at an affordable cost.
हमें एक होलिस्टिक अप्रोच के माध्यम से कौन सा हम उपचार देते हैं, किस रोग के लिए देते हैं, ये जिम्मेदारी हमारी बनती है वैज्ञानिकों की, चिकित्सकों की और जो मेडिकल फील्ड से जुड़े हुए हैं उन सब की बनती है।